Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be making over these stacked pumpkins from Dollar Tree. I started by spraying them with one coat of a gray primer and then using this stone textured spray paint and covering them. Once they were done and dry, I stacked them together but also hot glued them where they meet to keep them into place. Next, I take a pool noodle, also from Dollar Tree, and cut a section of it out of the pool noodle, so just like a little strip, long enough to wrap around these two pumpkins on the bottom where they meet, and I hot glue that into place. And then I do the same thing on the next two pumpkins. Next, I take some Spanish moss and hot glue it around each of those pool noodles. And then I go around and trim up some of the excess Spanish moss, and then take a piece of the pool noodle, just cut like a 2-inch section of it so it still has that hole in the center, hot glue that right over the stem on the top, covering that with Spanish moss as well. And then I take some different florals from a couple different places, Hobby Lobby and Walmart, cut little sections of them off. If they are stronger stems, you can go ahead and hot glue them and push them right into that pool noodle. If they're more flimsy, I was just hot gluing them and placing them in the Spanish moss. And I do that on all of the sections, so in between all of the pumpkins and then on the top where the stem is. And I just fill them in till I thought it looked nice and full. And that is it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.